300 million jobs will disappear by 2027. That's not a prediction from some conspiracy theorist. That's McKinsey Global Institute, one of the most respected research firms on the planet. 8% of every job on Earth. Gone, automated, replaced by artificial intelligence. And here's the thing, it's not just factory workers and truck drivers. It's accountants, it's lawyers, it's radiologists reading your X-rays. But here's what nobody's telling you. For every job AI destroys, it creates something new. The World Economic Forum says 170 million new jobs will emerge by 2030. So the question isn't, will AI take my job? The question is, which category am I in? Today, I'm going to show you exactly which 10 jobs are most vulnerable and which 5 are safe forever, no matter how smart AI gets. Let's start with the ones that are already dying. Before we get to the list, you need to understand something. This isn't like previous technological revolutions. When ATMs replaced bank tellers didn't disappear, they became customer service representatives. When spreadsheets replaced accountants became financial advisors. But AI is different. AI doesn't just replace tasks, it replaces thinking. Shopify's CEO recently told his company, "Before you hire someone, prove that AI can't do the job first." That's not a suggestion, that's a mandate. And Geoffrey Hinton, the godfather of AI himself, warned that the list of vulnerable professions will only grow in 2026. So let's look at the 10 jobs most at risk. Number 10, truck drivers. Autonomous vehicles are being tested right now. Waymo, Tesla, Aurora, they're all building self-driving trucks. The technology isn't perfect yet, but it's getting there fast. The trucking industry employs 3.5 million people in the US alone. When self-driving trucks go mainstream, and they will, most of those jobs disappear. Risk level medium-high, timeline 3 to 5 years. Number 9, assembly line workers. This one's already happening. Amazon has deployed over 1 million robots in their warehouses. They're aiming to automate 75% of their operations. But it's not just Amazon. Factories worldwide are replacing humans with robots that work 24/7, don't get tired, and don't make mistakes. Risk level high, timeline now. Number 8, financial analysts, the basic ones. If your job is to analyze market data, generate reports, and make predictions based on patterns, AI does that faster and better. ChatGPT can write a market analysis in seconds that would take a human analyst hours. The complex, strategic work, still human, the routine analysis, already automated. Risk level medium, timeline 2 to 3 years. Number 7, radiologists, specifically image analysis. AI can detect cancer in medical scans with 94% accuracy. Some studies show it outperforms human radiologists. But here's the nuance, AI doesn't replace the radiologist. It replaces the image reading part. The diagnosis, the patient interaction, the treatment planning, that's still human. Risk level medium-high, timeline already in hospitals. Number 6, paralegals and legal assistants. AI reviews documents in minutes that would take paralegals weeks. It researches cases, drafts contracts, finds precedents. The legal industry is being transformed. Junior lawyers who used to spend years doing document review, that job is disappearing. Risk level high, timeline 2 to 3 years. Number 5, basic content writers. If your job is to write product descriptions, social media posts, or basic articles, AI does that now. ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, they can generate content instantly. The writers who survive are the ones who create original thinking, not just words. Risk level high, timeline now. Number 4, translation and transcription. AI translation is 95% accurate and instant. Google Translate, DeepL, they're getting better every day. Transcription, AI does that faster and cheaper than any human. The translation industry, as we know it, is dying. Risk level extreme, timeline now. Number 3, bookkeepers and basic accountants. AI automates reconciliation, invoicing, financial reporting. It categorizes expenses, detects anomalies, generates reports. The accountant who just inputs numbers, gone. The accountant who interprets data and advises strategy, still safe. Risk level high, timeline 2 to 3 years. Number 2, customer service representatives. AI chatbots handle 80% of routine customer inquiries. They don't sleep, don't get frustrated, and respond instantly. The human agents who remain handle complex, emotional situations, but the majority of customer service jobs, automated. Risk level extreme, timeline now. And number 1, data entry clerks. This is the most vulnerable job on the planet. AI reads, processes, and enters data faster and more accurately than any human. If your job is to type information from one system into another, that job doesn't exist anymore. AI killed it. Risk level extreme, timeline already dead. Now let's talk about the good news. The jobs that are safe, no matter how smart AI gets. Number 5, mental health professionals. AI can chat, it can even sound empathetic, but it can't build trust, it can't understand trauma, it can't hold your hand when you're breaking down. Therapy requires genuine human connection. AI can assist, but it can't replace. Safety level very high. Number 4, teachers and educators. AI can deliver information, it can quiz students, it can grade papers. But can it inspire? Can it mentor? Can it notice when a student is struggling emotionally and pull them aside? Teaching is about more than information transfer. It's about human development. AI can't do that. Safety level high. Number 3, skilled trades, electricians, plumbers, mechanics. Try sending a robot into a cramped attic to fix wiring. Try having AI navigate a flooded basement to fix pipes. Skilled trades require physical dexterity in unpredictable environments. Robots can't handle chaos. Humans can. Safety level very high. Number 2, creative directors and strategists. AI can execute creative tasks. It can write, design, compose. But can it have vision? Can it understand cultural context? Can it make taste decisions? Creativity at the strategic level requires something AI doesn't have: genuine understanding of human experience. Safety level high. And number 1, healthcare nurses, surgeons, therapists. This is the safest category in the world. AI can diagnose, it can analyze, it can even assist in surgery. But can it hold a patient's hand before surgery? Can it notice the subtle signs of distress? Can it provide comfort during recovery? Healthcare is fundamentally about human connection. AI will enhance it, but it will never replace it. Safety level very high. So what does this mean for you? First, don't panic. The sky isn't falling, but the ground is shifting. If you're in one of the at-risk categories, start adapting now. Learn to work with AI, not against it. The accountants who survive are the ones who use AI to do the data analysis faster, then provide the strategic insight. Second, develop skills AI can't replicate: empathy, creativity, complex problem solving, leadership. These are human skills that AI can't touch. Third, think about your career in terms of what you do, not what your title is. Data entry clerk is a task. Problem solver is a value proposition. The future belongs to people who can work alongside AI, not compete against it. So there you have it. 10 jobs AI will replace by 2027, and 5 that are safe forever. Which one surprised you the most? Drop it in the comments. And if you found this valuable, hit subscribe. We break down the science behind AI and how it's changing everything: your career, your finances, your future. See you in the next one.